Am I live now? View on Facebook. Hello.
Good drifter.
Good drifter. I think so. Yeah, I'm live. But which? Oh, private. Personal.
Can't see.
Leona Chin baby. Can I see?
Okay.
Can I see?
Wait. How come didn't come out?
Hello, I'm using the Hero 7 Black live stream. I'm doing a testing and apparently it worked. So this is Owen. He helped me to set up.
Why I can't see? I can't see.
Oh, you can see? Is it? How come I can't see? Edit privacy, is it? Because I didn't go in public. Done?
Privacy how they can see?
I put in friend.
Oh,
friend
got already.
Alright.
But I also friend list, no? Okay. I can't see.
My head. Hi! I put in friend.
Got already.
Alright.
But I also friend list.
What are you doing? I think there's looping sound.
Link K here.
So yeah, I'm trying the latest Hero 7 and apparently it works, and I am now in my office testing it and Owen is here. He dropped by from JB.
Special guest.
Special guest. And let me know if you can see this clearly. We tested this afternoon at the Sepang track, so the footage is in the SD card. I haven't loaded yet. Hi Linley, my sister, and hi Jackson, hi Udo, hi Donovan, hi everyone.
Udo photographer.
Yeah, Udo. Tan Chin Fu, hi. We are using the GoPro now.
Is the photographer.
So I have the series of GoPros, the old GoPros over here. This is the 5, 6 and another 5. And I'm using the 7. And there are new features on the Hero 7 I would like to share with you. It's the gimbal light stabilization. If it's turned on, I think it's not on right now, so I can't show you the stabilization. Is it stable? And super photo function, so you get HDR photos instantly. You don't need to go through downloading an app and then re-edit in your phone. You don't need to do that anymore. The camera does it. You can do live streaming. That's a plus for everyone. And one more was, what was it? Time warp. So time warp is very smooth time lapse. So you can carry your camera, walk around, do some magic carpet ride kind of feeling videos with your new Hero 7 Black. So it's not on sale. You have to pre-order it I believe it's pre-order on the website, Fun Sports, and also all the retail outlets like Harvey Norman or Thunder Match or the concept store. Maybe you can get it there. In Malaysia should be around 1,800 plus, and in US is about $400.
Very clear.
Very clear. Wow, yeah. This is my office. I just charged all my GoPros. Just went for a
Very clear.
car testing. I think, yeah, I can see myself. So you can see all my collection. 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And here's the card that they give me so that I can refer to it when I'm on the go. It's a special card I keep in the wallet. So you can do time warp, can do burst, can do super photo, night lapse. Behind you got point of view. So they recommended that if you're doing mobile videos, you do 1440p with 60 frames per second. And do all these settings and you get nice videos. Slow-mo, you do this, and non-POV, point of view videos, you do 16:9. Yeah.
Good. Very clear.
Very clear. So, would you buy the new Hero 7, Owen?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So, it's time for you to pre-order the latest Hero 7 now.
It's a good product. Good product.
Good product.
It's so clear.
So yeah, I did some videos on my YouTube unboxing, so check it out. There's a new video coming up soon, and also check out my Aston Martin video on my YouTube. I just uploaded yesterday. Check it out. I'm on an Aston Martin Vantage, and I drove it really fast. Okay, we're gonna have some dinner later. It's the latest Hero 8:30. So we're gonna have dinner and see you guys. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I off it.